Learn English parts of speech by reading stories. Rich man, poor. First of all, we will see to the explanation of the abbreviations of parts of speech that we will be using in this video. For noun, there will be N. For pronoun, there will be PRO, pro. For adjective, there will be ADJ. For verb, there will be V. For determiner, there will be DET. For adverb, there will be adv. For preposition, there will be prep. For conjunction, there will be conj. For interjection, there will be int. And for article, there will be art. And for helping verb, there will be hv. Chapter 1. A letter for Mr. Ahmed. Everyone laughed and said, Ahmed, you are a rich man. You can buy many things for your farm and for your house. And I can buy some good food and drink in the city. I'm going to give a party for you all, I told my friends. Sarah said, Zan is a good son. That evening, the village people talked about the money order and my money. Sarah and I also talked about the money. We needed many things for the farm. Okay, now this portion has the analysis of the parts of speech that are used in this story. So you can see that I have started it from the very first word, that is everyone, and it's a pronoun. And after that, there is a detailed analysis of the complete remaining text. So you can see there are determiners, there are verbs, there are conjunctions, articles, nouns, and all other parts of speech that have been used in the story. It's a complete analysis that has been done in the context of the story. The part of speech is not an individual, rather, it's in the context of the story. Here I is the pronoun, told is the verb, my is determiner, friends is noun, Sarah is again noun, sad is the verb, Zan is again noun, is helping verb, a is an article, and good is adjective. Son is again noun. Here there are two proper nouns, one is Sarah and the other is Zan, and that is why they are written with the capital letters. And all other nouns are common nouns, so that they are written with the small letters of ABC. After this, there are that is determiner, evening is noun, that is common noun, the is again article, village is again common noun, people is again collective noun, talked is the verb, about is the preposition, the is the article, money is common noun, order is again common noun, and is conjunction, my is determiner, and money is again common noun. We needed many things for the form. We is the pronoun, needed is the verb, many is determiner, things is the common noun, for is the preposition, the is article, and farm is again a common noun.